What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, even though the crypto market is or was honestly crashing, and you see a lot of things that have fallen down, is it like a true crash to where it's dropped by like 40%? No, but you have a lot of positions that have dropped close to 20%, and maybe even more than that over the past 7 days. And, things are not really looking the best. And obviously, if you want a full breakdown of that, feel free to go to my last video and see what that breakdown was. And hopefully, as we put out this video, the market is kind of back to somewhat of a normal place. But I did I did want to talk about XRP in this video and kind of continue where we were when it comes to XRP potentially getting to $1,000 and why it's definitely plausible, why it's definitely I believe, in my opinion, that it's going to happen. Now, it doesn't mean that you need to believe it. No, it doesn't mean that. I'm invested into a position because I believe something is going to happen, and I will obviously take profit as time goes on to accept what I do have. But then I will also have a certain amount that will sit there for $1,000 or more. That will be a forever coin, in my opinion, or what I'm holding. So it's different here where people are like, hey, if you believe it's going to get to $1,000, why are you not holding everything until it gets to $1,000? I only have a certain amount invested for that specific goal. It's like if you go to a business or you invest in a business and you're like, I believe in this business. You're like, I believe in this business. But if you state that you believed in one business more, why is everything not in that business? That doesn't make sense. You want to be diversified because you never know where this world is going to go. So for me, as I have 100,000 coins, not rubbing it in, but just letting you know, as I have 100,000 coins, maybe 10,000 is left for what that goal will be. 90,000 will be left for all other areas in between where we are and that point. So, with that being said, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out one of the links down below, or all of the links down below, for Twitter, for Patreon, or even for Margex if you guys want to trade XRP up to a 50x leverage. Now, the reason why I'm creating this video is you see the title, the last of the series of 5 reasons why XRP is going to reach $1,000 per coin. And this, I believe, is the most important piece of it. While you can say that everything else is important and those things need to happen in order for $1,000 to happen, this also needs to be constant. This needs to be something that stays here every single day in, day out. We see this here, and that is the community. This is the biggest portion of XRP, is the drive, the focus, the hunt for what this will be. The community will be the reason as to why this is successful as it is. The conversation that we have over where XRP will be is the reason to why it will get to those levels. So let's go into XRP, and then let's talk about that community and why it's so important. So XRP, again, did take a little bit of a hit over the last couple of days. It's currently at 57 cents. You're going to see my balance is at 57,000 because I do have 100,000. Every cent that this goes up, I gain $1,000. We're looking at a $1.6 billion volume day in the last 24 hours, and we're also seeing a $32 billion market cap. This is down from about a $35 billion market cap that it was at a few days ago. If we look at the last 7 days, it's down by 5%, from a 60-cent level down to 57 cents, which honestly is not too bad compared to the rest of the market. And maybe it just has that strength because of the speculation or the uncertainty behind what's going to happen with the SEC versus Ripple, which is another reason as to why XRP will reach this level as well. But it did get to 65 cents, approaching 66 cents before decreasing down to even the lower points of about 55, borderline 54 cents. But then now did rise again up to 57 cents, but still down 5% over the last 7 days. Over the last month, it still is up about 18% from where it was at the 40 or sub 40 cent level. So it's great to see it kind of hold at these levels, and I hope that it has the ability to skyrocket above this point, because I did make a 100, or I did make a leverage trade recently that I would love to see it stay above 40 cents, not go below 40 cents. We did officially hit 56% of the total supply that is out there. So I guess that 0.05% was added to the supply, or 0.04% was added to the supply just recently. So now you're at 56%. I guess it's a little bit lower than that because we're not seeing 56 billion, but we do have 99.9 billion in total supply, not the 100 billion max supply, if that makes sense. Now, over the last year, it still is, I wouldn't say sort of flat, but it is down by 14%. But you see the ebbs and flows to the market, right? Where it's down to 47 cents, up to 72, down to 49 cents, up to 72, down to 40 cents, and then hopefully it gets back up to not only 72, but also breaking that point and getting up to $1 with the official, finish or solutions that are created with the SEC versus Ripple. Now, with the conversation that's at hand, we talked about the banks. We've talked about a lot of different things. I'm trying to think of exactly what we talked about. We talked about the ETFs. We talked about the utility. We talked about the CEO, and now we're on the community. The community, honestly, is one of the biggest portions. It is the biggest portion of this. And with any popularity that you see here with the billions of dollars that goes into it, you need the support of individual investors. And I'll tell you what, XRP has had the most percentage-wise of individual investors that are involved into this, more than you could see with meme coins, and more than you could see with utility coins, anything that's out there. XRP has been here because without the support of us, of people that are investors that see the future, that see where crypto will be in the future, without us, the case doesn't have as much success as it has. The company Ripple doesn't have as much success as it has, right? We don't see this many wins. We don't have XRP being labeled as not a security. We don't have people that are calling for it to get relisted on Coinbase, to get relisted on Kraken, to have all of the ability to grab it and make it easier for the normal person to grab it because everybody's asking about it. We have the predictions that are out there saying it's going to get to 100, 200, 500, 1,000, 10,000, 30,000. People say that this is going to get to hundreds of thousands of dollars. Without this community, XRP would be nothing, right? You can say that, oh, without the utility, without all of those things, everything there, the CEO, everything, where the creation, everything there, that it would be nothing. But without the community supporting what was created and continually saying, this could be something way bigger, it's faster, it's more secure, it's cheaper, it's everything we want, it would be nowhere. So just understand that. It's very simple to understand, but it really is true. Guys, let me know what you think about this and this entire series of 5 reasons why XRP will reach 100 or $1,000. I will put all of the videos in like a playlist and put it on like the channel and, see. So for everybody that wants to see them, you can watch all of the videos there. If this is your first video of this watching, doesn't make sense. If this is your first viewing of this series of videos, feel free to go ahead and check out all the rest. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, again, if you guys want to start trading on Margex, while especially the market is at a little bit of a low point right now, feel free to go ahead and trade on Margex. It is a great platform. I've had a bunch of success with it recently. Copy trading has not really gone the best route, but I'm trying to reverse the situation. If you haven't seen that information, feel free to go over to my other video that I did talk about it. But a lot of my success has come from my individual account right now. And we're going to see that growth into the copy trading account as well. But anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.